Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm from VPOC Systems. We're a manufacturer of a self-powered industrial IoT security device as well as mobile computing platforms. So as you can see, we've developed our devices around intelligent security. Our platform has everything that you need to deploy a security solution in a remote environment or a transient environment, meaning a marathon or an event that's going to last only for a few days, and then you're going to be able to take your portable security device and move it to the next location. So we built this device. It's all about intelligence on the edge. That's what IoT is. It's about actionable and intelligent data. So we're gathering that data, we're processing it on the edge, and then we're sending back intelligent, actionable information to the end user. So on our device, you can see there's a security camera as one of the sensors. The security camera is actually running analytics on the edge, so we can create a zone in the screen and alert first responders or security personnel when an intruder is violating the zone. Unlike motion-based triggers where you're getting inundated with false alerts, we're actually running intelligent processing analytics on the edge, so you eliminate false alerts for your security and law enforcement personnel. We've also integrated acoustic sensors, and again, this is all about intelligent and actionable information. So we've integrated acoustic signatures, and we have the unit programmed to recognize the unique acoustic signature of a gunshot. So if you have a singular unit and a gunshot occurs, the unit will send to the end user an alert that a gunshot was fired, and if there's a single unit, it'll point from the direction that that gunshot originated from. If you have multiple units, it'll actually triangulate and give you an overlay on a GPS map, GPS coordinates of where that gunshot actually took place. So again, this is all about intelligence for first responders. So when a critical event happens and that there's gunshots in the field, first responders have actionable information that they can respond to immediately without the excess noise that usually comes along with somebody calling 911 because they're in a panic state and they're trying to articulate an emergency and they can't do that. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to provide information to law enforcement and security personnel that they can actually do something with. So the keys to our product obviously are the rapid deployment. We can deploy our units in under 60 minutes and have a security solution in place within that 60 minutes. Increase awareness, obviously with what's going on in today's society, we want to increase awareness about what's going on and give information in real time to proprietors that they can use. We're going to be lowering the expenses because due to the fact that our units are self-powered and communicate over cellular and Wi-Fi. You can lower expenses that come along with traditional security deployments. You can eliminate trenching and fixed cost of implementing a fixed infrastructure solution. Again, with the intelligence that's being processed on the edge, we're eliminating false alerts, so that way you're not responding to triggers that aren't real. Some of the key verticals that we focus on are government, military, obviously. College campuses is a big one for campus security. And then we've also taken Dell's IoT Gateway and we wrapped our power solution around that. And so now you can deploy Dell's IoT Gateway into the field, into remote environments, and you can partner with third-party ISVs that have already been validated on Dell's Gateway. So you can start making decisions in oil pipeline and sensor monitoring and things of that nature. Some key deployments for us, obviously we're at Dell's IoT Lab, so if you have an interest, you can go to Dell's IoT Lab in Santa Clara and see our units. It's also deployed in their parking lot at the Santa Clara campus, so they're actually using our technology. We're deployed at Super Bowl 50, and again, being able to rapidly deploy a unit and then take it back down for one of these types of events is key for law enforcement and security personnel. We've been deployed at the city of Hayward around their downtown City Hall area for over a year now, and the message to us was that once they deployed these security units, they were actually able to reduce calls for service in that area by over 80% due to the overt nature of the deployment and due to the criminals recognizing the fact that they were being monitored, so they move elsewhere. key highlights for us, we were actually awarded Dell's IoT contest winner, the platinum winner. Over 1,000 entrants from 50 countries around the globe. And due to our technology, we're awarded as the platinum winner. So some key information about us. We're at booth 109 if you have more questions. Here to answer your questions.